So here's our Canvas page, Algebra 1C. It's the nice little lamb, because you guys are like sheep and I'm guiding you. And then there's the math in the background. I don't know who made that picture or why, but I thought it was kind of funny. So that's our page. You guys can see our Canvas page, right? Yeah, you can? Okay, cool. Our home page should look kind of different than this, but this is our modules. I divide everything up by week. So week 1, Monday, is today. We're doing some review of the things that you've looked at so far. Now I know those of you that had Mrs. Shoup last trimester already got through 8.3, right? Yeah, so we got through 8.2 in my class. So today we're reviewing, and then tomorrow we'll do 8.3. So those of you that have already had 8.3, it's just a review for 2 days. So lucky you, I guess. But anyway, everything will be posted here. You can see our agenda, and then I try to, in bold, put our homework and when it's due so that you can see that. Learning targets. Now today, like, we don't have textbook pages, but typically I'll have just lesson, and it'll have the video link, and it will have the textbook pages as well. Our assignment. So let's look at this. So every assignment, so 8.1 to 8.4 extension, that's what we're going to do Monday through Thursday. All assignments will be posted in this spot. So you can see 8.1 and 8.2, that's what we're going to review today. And then tomorrow, when we look at 8.3, that next assignment will be posted. 8.4 will be posted. 8.4 extension, all that will be posted under this homework assignment slot here. Okay? If you are like, okay, what is today's actual assignment? Then you need to go to our Canvas page, and it says 8.1 and 8.2 are the actual assignment. All the links will be inside of the assignment here. If we do a big ideas assignment that I'm collecting for a grade, then I would say like 8.3 big ideas. Okay, so even those big ideas assignments, I would list right here. Are there questions about that, or does that kind of make sense? Does that seem pretty easy to find what your homework is? Okay. Let's go back. Answer keys, I post as soon as I can. I have not posted the answer keys for today yet because I haven't finished writing them. Like I said, there's a Get to Know You Google Slides assignment. And when you press on it, you should be able to click a button right around here. Oh, there it is. To open the Google Slides in a new window. And then you can just rename it, you know, like Layton's Google Slides or whatever. Or Layton's Get to Know You. And then you can fill them out. And there is kind of a tricky way to submit that, but I can show you that. I'll show you that tomorrow. And that's just considered homework because we're not going to directly spend class time on it. But if you have a couple extra minutes in class, then that would be a good thing to work on. Additional resources. Here I will put examples of what we're working on. I will put the slides. So like typically I do everything through Google Slides. And I put it up and write on our slides and everything. So I will post our slides daily. And then just any other questions, it's kind of my contact information here that you can press. So hopefully this was pretty straightforward and an easy way to understand what your work is. Even though you guys are obviously in person, I still will refer to our Canvas page. Like if we have a warm-up assignment or like a quiz, you'll always go to our Canvas page to find our quiz, different things like that. So I try to make it easy to lay out. I really like putting links on pictures. So pretty much anytime you see a picture, it's probably a link to something. There's one more thing on Canvas I wanted to look at. Okay, syllabus. I'm just going to highlight a few things that I might have missed. Make sure you bring your iPad because especially towards the end of the trimester, I really liked a certain app. Does anyone remember what it was? Class Kick, yeah. I like Class Kick. So we're going to use that. Not today, unfortunately. Cell phones. During work time, I'm fine if you listen to music, but those should not be like something we're using besides for music during work time. The last 5 minutes of class are your time. So last 5 minutes of class or free time, you can bring out your phone then. Consequences, I don't anticipate having any issues with you guys, but verbal warning, meeting, detention, and then you're out of here. Grades are just like everyone else. Also, homework is 15%, quizzes 25%, and tests are 60%. Like it says right here, I sometimes put incorrect grades on accident. Like I mean to hit 9 and I hit 8 or something like that. So if there's a wrong grade, then just let me know. Or if you think there's a wrong grade, let me know. It might not be, but we can talk about it. Retake policy. I do not do retakes on quizzes or on tests. What I like to do are quiz or test corrections, okay? So if you fail a quiz, and we'll talk about this more before a quiz, if you fail a quiz, you're able to do corrections on the problems that you got wrong, and then that will raise your quiz grade to a 60%. So there's no reason that you don't pass every single quiz. On a test, no matter what your grade is, you're allowed to do test corrections on the problems you got incorrect and earn half credit back. So let's say we have a test that is 100 points. Let's say you get an 80 out of 100, and you do test corrections on the 6 problems that you got wrong, then your new test grade would be 90 out of 100. So you can do test corrections and earn half the points back. So is there any reason that you don't pass every quiz and at least get a 50% on every test? No. If you don't pass this class, then it's probably because you didn't do quiz or test corrections. Late work, 10% for each day that it's late. After 4 days, the best you can earn is a 60%. And again, all that needs to be in by the test. Wow, some people already turned this in. Any questions?